This video is sponsored by BuyMote E-Shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very cheap rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how to increase your Excel skills with Chat GPT. First, I open Chat GPT and open my Excel file. Here, the details of all the student marks are listed. From this, we are going to calculate the average of all the marks. For this, I go to Chat GPT. I copy the first text and paste it here. Here, I type create an Excel formula to calculate the average values in cells B2 to E2. So from B2 to E2, we are going to calculate the average. I click on search. Here, you can get the code. I copy the code and paste it in the first student column. Now, the average is calculated for the first student. I click on that and drag the whole column to get the average of all the students' marks. Now, I save the document and close. I open the next Excel sheet where the data of the student is present. Here we are going to separate the name, age, email and register number. For this, we are going to generate a code using ChatGPT. For this, I copy the second text and paste it here. Here, create an Excel formula to extract the text separated by commas from cells A2 to B2, C2, D2 and E2. I click on search and for each column, the formula is generated. You can see for 4 columns, the code is generated and I copy the first code here, B2 and paste it in the Excel sheet, B2. Now, I copy the C2 code and paste it in C2. Now, I copy the D2 and paste it in D2. And for the last one, E2, I copy the code and paste it here. Now, the details of the first student has been successfully separated. And for doing for all the students, I just copy the first column, first row and simply drag the whole column to the last. Now, you can see for all the students, the details has been separated successfully. So, in this way, you can increase your Excel skills by using chatgpt.com. Thank you.